For today's project of garage door opener for home automation, create a new project on Proteus as always. The project is open source on GitHub, so anyone can consider that instead. The link is at the bottom of the guide and description box below. Now on the Capture tab, get all the required components, namely DC motor, SPDT switch, and relay module. The relay module library is available from the link in the description box below. Just download and place a copy of the file inside Drive's lib folder in the library folder of Proteus program files, as already shown in an earlier video. In addition to that, place copy of the files inside Drive's Models folder, in Model folder under Library folder of Proteus program files. Now place those components as shown. Note that SPDT switch is placed twice here. This is because the reed switch magnet is assumed to slide between other part of the switches to be placed at open and closed positions of the door. Now get the required terminals and place them in positions as shown. For default pins near relay and pins are there to activate all the relays on that module, whereas default pins near switch common pins and ground pins near switch NC, that is normally closed pins, are for inputs to the circuit. Now draw connection between pins as shown. Note that for making connection between relay and the motor for sliding the door, one pin of the motor is to be connected to the common pin, and the other pin of the motor is to be connected to the NO, that is normally open pin of a particular relay. Now assign GPIO pin numbers to the default pins so that the assignments correspond to the source code. After completion of hardware interface, move on to Source Code tab for hardware interface programming. Now on the Source Code tab, Write down the test program as shown. The code is the first code in the guide. The rest are for actual Pi board development for practical operations, which is beyond virtual environment metrics with limited attributes for simulation. After writing the code, save it and move back to Schematic Capture tab for simulation. Press the play button and see all the relays are up and running. One can refer the step-by-step guide for practical build. That's it for today. If this video is found to be helpful, please do like the video and subscribe to this channel to support more of such content in future. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.